Hi everyone, welcome back to Tutorial Master. In today's video, I am going to show you that how you can update all your apps in your Windows PC by just a one command. So without wasting any time, subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed yet, and let's get started. So first of all, move to the taskbar and click on Start menu and type CMD, and here you will see the command prompt, and make sure to run it as an administrator. Click on yes and the CMD will open, and here type the command winget upgrade and press enter, and it will start searching about the apps that require some update. So here this will happen. The MS Store source requires that you review the following agreements before using. So type Y and press enter, and you will see that it will start searching the apps that want an upgrade. And here is the list of apps that want upgrade. You can see that Audacity, WinRAR, Adobe Creative Cloud, AnyDesk, Internet Download Manager, Microsoft Visual C++, and here are the older variants, and here are the new variants that need to be upgraded. So if you want to upgrade these apps, so we will type another command winget upgrade space / and type all, and then press the enter key, and it will start updating all the apps that require another variant. So here you will see that it started updating the apps. It will require some time. It will depend upon your internet speed. So make sure to connect to the internet so that if you do not face any error, and you will see that it will start updating your all the apps. And some apps require the permission of administrator. So a dialog box will appear on the screen, and you will just simply click on the yes. Hope so you like this video. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe my channel and stay tuned for more tutorials like this. And I will see you in the next video. Goodbye for now.